Hi guys, welcome to Shiva Sai's Perseverance Software Training Institute.
How we can actually make use of conditional expressions within Terraform. All right, see, let's do this. So, what are conditions? If a condition is true, execute this. If not, if the condition is not true, execute something else, right? So, in Terraform, we can make use of this conditional expressions using the syntax highlighted. So, so first will be our condition, then question mark. If this condition is true, the true block will be executed, right? This will be taken into consideration. If the condition is false, this will be taken into consideration. Okay, fine. Let's check a real-time scenario. So, for example, a variable env is available here. So, with some description and the default value of that variable is dev. So, this is the closing area for that. So, now I'm deploying an EC2 instance, right, with some AMI. So, if you see here, so the instance type, right. So, this is the condition before question mark, okay. So if the instance type is double equals to var dot env, not double equals to, equals to var dot env, which is double equals to dev. So meaning of that, so instance type, what is the value of instance type is the question here, equal to var dot env. So var dot env is, so this is the variable, so this will be the value. So this becomes dev now, correct, as per the, and dev double equals to dev. So double equals to in the sense like 5 double equals to 5 is true. Okay. So whether these two values are the same or not. Okay. So yes, the condition is true here. So if it is true, this particular instance type will be taken into consideration. If this condition is false, so this value will be taken for instance type. Okay, and these are all tags, which is nothing but the tags for EC2 on the AWS cloud. Okay, so yeah, we can actually execute this. So meanwhile, let me log into the Terraform server. So this is my Terraform server which is up and running. So Mumbai is my Terraform server location and Sydney is my target location. So, but I think, yeah, it's not even required to cross verify on the cloud because in the plan itself we can check in. So SSH TF user is my username at the right IP address of the server. So yeah, I'm connecting here and this is the password I have given. All right. So I'm switching to root user. So I'm switching to a directory where I have multiple Terraform code. Let me remove the older code, something like ds dot tf ssp dot txt. Okay. All right. So let's create this. So vi conditionals dot tf. So let me get the code here. Okay. Cool. So here we have conditionals. Perfect. So here I'm showcasing you the conditional one. So yeah, correct. Okay. Let me copy and paste it here. All right. So this is a variable block. This is a resource block with the condition. So as the env variable value is already dev, so dev double equals to dev is true. So t2.micro should be picked. We'll check the other, you know, uh, the other condition as well. So let's firstly, so yeah, my provider should be already configured here. So it should tell reusing provider. So let's see if it is not there, it will, okay. That's reusing the previous version. All right, now, yeah, let's go for Terraform plan. This should give our, the instance type to t2.micro. Let's check it out. All right, perfect. So if you see here, the instance type is t2.micro. Perfect. So I think, yeah, it's not even required to deploy. We got the details here already, but let's do one thing. Let's make the condition false. How we can do that? Just simply go here. I'm just simply changing the value of the variable to maybe test. Now, var.env value is test, which is not actually equal to dev. So now m5.log should be taken into consideration. So let's execute the plan again. All right. Okay, perfect. So here we go. So fine. So this is how we can actually, implement conditionals in Terraform. Okay. All right.